Yes, I know. It's been a while since I posted a video, and I'm really sorry about that. A lot of things going on. I'll explain it to you in just a second. Just a lot of things I had to take care of, including selling the car, which it is gone, done. I don't have it anymore. Gone forever, never gonna see it again. I also had some family down this week, so it was really important that I spent time with them and just enjoyed it all together. So that's what I've been doing. But we're back now, ready to make some videos, keep going, get some sick skids in. I'm also in the process of purchasing a truck, so that's coming very, very soon. There's a lot of good stuff coming. I'm pretty stoked. So yeah, like I was saying before, I've been really busy this past week, but I'm not stopping. I'm not, gonna take this extended break or anything. I just had a lot of stuff to take care of, and it's taken care of now, so we're back at it. I've got the S13 sitting right here next to me. Now, at the moment, there's not much to do to this car. I actually really like how it's set up now. Since I found out it has aftermarket struts, and it also has like some other suspension components, it rides really nice. I really like it. I also found out last night that it has Z32 front calipers, and they're pretty big, and that's pretty sweet. It's almost like I just did a mod without knowing in like 2 seconds. One of my buddies actually told me, I had no idea. So as far as I know, it's got Z32 front calipers, it's got upgraded struts, it has upgraded suspension arms, like some toe arms and some camber arms. I think it has a short shifter, and then I welded the diff. That's all that's done to this car, and I really like it. It's so good. It drives so good. When I do donuts, like it just feels so solid. It's a solid car, and I'm kind of scared to change it, but I definitely will. Don't worry about that. We're gonna make it really sick. With that being said, I'm not in a rush, I guess you could say. Like, there's no rush to do anything. It drives amazing. It handles amazing. I'm probably gonna pick up another set of 240 stocks so I can have like a set of drift spares, and they're really cheap. I can pick them up for like under 100 bucks. And we can get some sick sliding. So actually, on that note too, speaking of sliding, I'm pretty sketched out to go street drifting. I don't want to get in any trouble with the cops. Now, I especially don't want to film it and get in trouble later with the cops. So I'm pretty sketched about that. If I do go street drifting, it'll be in areas where, the security guards say it's okay, or, we're not bothering anybody. I'm definitely not going to go out to the center of a main road and do donuts. But I am getting that truck soon. Still, waiting on a good deal, waiting for find a good truck and whatnot. I'm not gonna rush it, but once I get that truck, I can get a trailer real easy. I can trailer to drift shows, trailer to shows, trailer to more trailer to drift events or spots up north that are more open and they leave you alone, so I can get some practice in. And then later on, when the car's a little nicer, I can trailer to shows and whatnot. I can also get into some more serious stuff with this car, being that I'll have a daily driver, so I don't have to worry if this car's out of commission for a few weeks or months or whatever. If I like, you know what I mean. It's okay if the car doesn't work. That's where we're at now. Also, real quick, I got a few people telling me they want me to just do vlogs, like normal vlogs. It doesn't have to be car related. I go to the beach a lot. Maybe going to the beach, going to the skate park, hanging out with my friends, just take a camera with me for a day and you guys see what I do in a day. I thought that'd be pretty cool. It'd be a little bit weird for me since I'm just used to doing car stuff all the time, and if it's not car related, like just no camera around. But I think that would be pretty cool. I'm super down to give that a try. Leave a comment below and let me know if you think that's a good idea. I'll probably do it anyways, honestly. But yeah, I'm definitely down to try that. So as far as today goes in this specific video, there's still a few things that I need to get out of the interior that are left in there from when I gutted it the first time. And it's like seatbelts and some stupid stuff. And I'm gonna go pick up some more metal, practice some more welding, because I want to build an exhaust for this car. I got a great idea. I don't know where to buy pipe, but I'm sure I can find it pretty easily. I want to try making a pretty sweet exhaust, and I want some decent welds on it. So I'm gonna go try to find some metal, lay some beads down after I take out these seat belts and whatnot. It's gonna be sick. I also picked up a new impact gun since I broke my other one, and these things are awesome. I freaking love them. They're the best thing ever. So good. Everyone that works on cars needs to have one of these because they're so freaking good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take these seat belts out. Some 14 mil bolts, and then it goes up here. I don't know what's going on with this stuff. I might try to pull this out too, but it doesn't bother me right now. But if I have to do that to take the seatbelt out, I'll definitely go ahead and take this out. Let's crank this up one more. There we go. This is the best thing ever. Now we gotta figure out if we pull these off. I kinda wanna leave these for now because it holds on the headliner. I'm not quite ready to get rid of the headliner yet. But I don't know, let me see if we pull these off maybe. Or maybe I can pull this up and see what's going on here. Alright, so it looks like we just got some clips in here. Get in here with a flathead. Squeeze them. They should come out. There we go. Alright. Managed to get this whole piece out. Okay, so we've got the main seatbelt, like mechanical roundup thing, whatever it's called, right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take this bolt out, and then I'm sure there's a bolt under here, and this whole seatbelt should come out no problem. Okay, so this piece just pried off with a little flathead screwdriver, super easy. Now we're gonna hit it with this. That's it. There we go. So this could just be fed through here, little by little. Get these all right through there, and then pop out the other side. Back seat belts are out. It was really easy, super easy. But those were like clanking around in the back every time I did some donuts or took a turn. So good to get those out. Everything else I'm leaving for now until I like fully gut it and stitch weld and cage it and whatnot. I don't know. I like the car how it is now. It's good. Drives good. There's nothing. Don't fix something that's not broken, right? It's good. So now I'm gonna go try to find some metal and practice some welding because I love welding and I want to get really good at it. But I don't have metal, so I'm gonna go scavenge for some metal and hopefully I can find some nice thick pieces and I could try like welding two things together or whatever. Even though I welded my diff, which was like really not good at all, but it's holding up, right? It's holding up. That's all that matters. Look how pretty. Since it's such a nice day outside, sunny, no clouds, 75 degrees, perfect weather, I'm gonna enjoy a nice 30-minute break on the hammock over there, and you're gonna watch a sweet 20-second time lapse. Let's go right now. Go.
Sister, shoulder, daughter, lover, healer, broken halo, mother nature, fire, suit of armor, soul survivor, holy water, secret keeper, fortune teller, Virgin Mary, scarlet letter, technicolor, river wild, baby girl, woman, child, female.
So I took a slightly longer nap than I intended to. I meant to be out there for like 20 or 30 minutes and I was out there for like over an hour. But it's nice. It's nice to enjoy the moment, you know? Like, if it's a nice day outside, just go sit outside for an hour, you know? It makes life so much better when you can just go relax for at least 30 minutes a day. It's just super nice. So I really enjoyed that. But on that note, I did sleep a little longer than I meant to sleep, and it's about to be dark now. I'm actually going to dinner for my parents' anniversary, so happy anniversary to them. And then when I get back from that, I'll do some welding. And I actually went earlier today and tried to find some steel that I could weld, and I couldn't find anything really, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep welding the stuff I have here and maybe cut some stuff and try to do like some angle welds or whatever, but we'll figure it out. Play around with some welding later tonight. Side note, I was looking under the car and I have some leaking there. I don't know what it's from. You know, you'd assume it's from the diff because I just opened it up and it's missing a bolt and has some like sketchy freaking blue icing sealant on there, but I touched and nothing's dripping from there, but I don't know. I'll have to get under there and see what that is. It looks like it's dripping more to the right side. It could be that axle's done, but we'll get under there and check it some other day. I don't feel like messing with it right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go to dinner. I'll be back. We're gonna weld some cool stuff and it's gonna be great because welding is so much fun. So I'll see you in literally 1 second. Let's lay some freaking dimes, bro. So I've got a bunch of metal here. There's some that I haven't really touched yet, so I have plenty of room to practice. It's actually really hard to weld this thin material because the welder just like gets so hot and it just burns through this metal like nothing. Like there's a hole right here and a hole right here from where I did that before. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the heat to as low as I possibly can and just try to, you know, see if I can, you know, get some good beads going. I just want to practice as much as I can, and it's also a lot of fun. So I'm gonna put some music on because I like blasting music while I weld. So I'm gonna do like a nice little montage and I'll come back every now and then and show you what I've got. It's been a while since I touched this stuff, so I'm gonna just take this wire brush and try to clean off some of this surface rust. some good, like, some nice circular dimes, like, going on. They're pretty even in the beginning, and then I messed up towards the end, but that looks pretty good right there. I'm happy with that. This one's kind of a mess. This one's a mess. And this one's not horrible either, but it could be better. I'm actually burning the wood underneath this. Look at that. I'm literally destroying this wood, so I gotta think of something else. Alright, we're gonna try to lay a couple more down. I got this metal piece under here now, so hopefully that helps. Unless it just like transfers heat equally and then still burns the table, but we'll find out. So these are all like pretty bad. I didn't get any good ones that I like. I mean, this one, not horrible. This one's actually not bad, it's just really skinny. But those aren't, you know, horrible. This one right here is not horrible either. The problem I was having down here is not having any place to put my hand, like stabilize everything. It's not burning the wood anymore, which is good. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop for today. So yeah, I'm gonna call it quits for today. It's getting real foggy in here and I didn't have any doors open, but I just opened one up so we can get some air out here. But also the welding and the wire brushing and stuff is like kind of loud, and my family's trying to sleep and it's kind of late at night. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop for today. I might do more tomorrow, I don't know. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I'm gonna still be slow on the videos for like another week or two, just until I get the truck situation all figured out. It's like a lot of work and a lot of, you know, coordinating and stuff, so you just gotta work with me here. But I promise once that truck is here in my driveway, we've got everything solved, we're gonna be back on schedule, videos every other day just like we used to, and it's gonna be great stuff, so I'm really excited. But I hope you enjoyed this little video. I mainly wanted to get a video out there to tell you guys I'm not, you know, stopping, I'm okay. It's just a lot of stuff going on, and we're still gonna be here, still going strong. We're about to hit 10,000 subs actually, so that's sick. I don't know if I should do something or I don't know. I'll think of something, but it's right around the corner. I'm thinking the next couple weeks we'll hit 10,000 for sure. But anyways, leave a comment down below, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
Why they wanna be me? It's not what it seems. Running to the bank, putting wet on my Achilles. We been thumbing blue faces like they Washingtons. On a run from MIA up to Washington.